Hi everyone, I hope you're well. This is CoinsKid. I'm just going to dive into XRP once again. Thank you for support. Big up the CoinsKid crew. So right now XRP, it's doing okay. You're above the EMAs, which is really good. There is a bit of a fractal that's happening here, which I've noticed has happened before when we broke out down here. Okay, we started to come back up here, and as you can see, we created this sort of rising channel just there. Essentially a rising wedge in this previous breakout, like this, and then we came back down to where we formed the wedge. Do you see that? So we came back down initially, picked up, back into the wedge. I remember all this because we traded it like a boss. Ran into resistance, rolled over to where you formed the wedge right there, okay? And you found support on the 55 as well, okay? So you're getting very overextended just there. So there is a very similar fractal that's played out here for XRP. If you take a look, we've come up, we've broke out from this low just there, and we've come up and we've created this sort of rising channel look for XRP. Do you see this sort of rising wedge? And what we've done, we've come back down and wicked down to this key level support, and right now we're coming back up. So the question is, if we can hold this as support right now, we are looking good here for continuation, and you do have a new impulsive wave target for XRP if you break this high, okay? So if you see XRP come up right now and hold these support levels like this, okay, start to come up and break 108, you are looking at a 114 price tag for XRP, okay? Because you've met the technical target of this rising wedge, fell down, bounced off it, wicked off it as support, you know, and you've not quite touched the 55. You're still a bit of a gap, but you can still get a bit of continuation. If you break this high, I would imagine you're going to roll back, rest on this swing high here, consolidate, allow the EMAs to creep back up, and that's where you can absolutely take off here for XRP, you know. So it is all about Bitcoin. Bitcoin's running into a key level resistance. If Bitcoin can break that resistance, it's going to drag the market with it, you know. You're going to see XRP do something like this, come up here. I think that could offer a beautiful little long op from there to there, around about 4.82%. But from here right now, you know, it could be lovely little 9.24% long up, and with that you are breaking out of this high just there, okay? You're basically breaking out of this high just there, so you will have another impulsive wave target. Look at this, okay? So with that technical target of the impulsive wave, which you're putting in right now, if you can hold these levels of support, it's all about holding this support, okay? Hold this support, you're looking for continuation, you're coiling up for continuation. You've come up, got overextended, you've had your retracement just here to a key level support, and now you're coiling up, you're building up. If you break that high, you're looking at the 1618, 114, and you're breaking this high here. Because you're breaking that high, you are putting in a new larger impulsive wave from here to here. Because what you're doing right now, all this is retracing to this high. That's all you're doing. Look, you've come down, and right now you're retracing to this high. So it's all about breaking this high for continuation. Do you understand that? Break highs. That's what the resistance is. It's support and resistance. You break highs, you put new impulsive waves. You lose lows, you put new impulsive waves to the downside. Do you see that? So you're retracing. So at the moment you can see when you're retracing, you run into key levels of resistance, okay, on the fibs. And you can see right now you've ran into 786, got a little bit extended, come back, found support on the golden ratio. So for me, you're looking really good because you've got above a key level of resistance, which is the golden ratio. Do you understand that? So right now, if you continue to hold this as support, okay, you come up, foundation support, start to build up. If you come up and meet the next impulsive wave target off this low and high and low, sorry, your next technical target is 114, but you're breaking this high, so you're putting in a brand new impulsive wave to here, okay, and you really are flipping bullish because you've lowered out, you've come back up, and you're coming up to 134, and you're going to see it absolutely take off like it did here, okay? Because like I said to you, you've come up here like this, and this rising wedge, you fell back to it as support, you caught up, and then you come up, met the technical target at 168, come back for support, and then you came up to the technical target of an impulsive wave off that high. Do you understand that? Which was this one, which I gave you. So it's all good, you know, it's all good. It's doing everything it needs to for continuation. Sometimes XRP, though, it can get a little bit boring because it doesn't move that ferociously like other alts, but you've got to remember there's a court case looming over its head, so it's a little bit lackluster and a bit slow in this bull market, and I will keep reminding you of that. But you are moving up impulsively, and you're falling back to key level support for continuation. So for me, you know, if you break this high, you know, you've got a lovely little long up, but you've got continuation here. So you could be looking from this point right now, you could be looking at a beautiful little long up of around about 27% for XRP, providing you can hold this support. Set stop losses. Always set stop losses, okay? In case you get a bit of a throwback, we have a market correction. At least you know you get stopped out and you don't lose too much money. So yeah, that's basically XRP. It's looking really good. Break this high just here, which is the technical target of a 1618, which you're going to do if you break at 108, sorry. You break that high, you're looking at that, and with that you're putting in a new impulsive wave to 134, and you really are getting the party started. And I think it could happen in a heartbeat, to be honest with you. So that's XRP. It's all about Bitcoin. Take care, everyone. Back soon with another update on XRP. Take care, everyone. Bye bye.